Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into how to set up your OpenClaw device for optimal use. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the skills to configure it step by step for immediate use.
Did you know that improper setup of your OpenClaw device can drastically reduce its lifespan and performance? In today's video, we'll walk you through the essential steps to set up your OpenClaw device correctly and efficiently. Whether you're a first-time user or looking to optimize your setup, this guide will ensure you're making the most out of your device right from unboxing to daily use. Stay tuned as we start with unboxing and first impressions, moving through to the final setup and troubleshooting tips. Let's start with the unboxing. As you open the box, you're greeted with a sleek, ergonomic design that's both modern and functional. Inside, you'll find the OpenClaw device, a power cable, a user manual, and a set of adapters to fit various hand sizes. It's crucial to check that all components are included and in good condition. The design is intuitive, offering a comfortable grip and easy access to controls. This first impression sets the stage for a seamless setup experience. Our initial thoughts are that it's a well-thought-out device, designed for both comfort and efficiency.
Next, let's connect your OpenClaw device to power and peripherals. Start by plugging in the power cable into a suitable outlet. The device is designed to work with most standard power sources, but always check the voltage requirements in the manual. For peripherals, use the provided adapters to connect to your computer or console. Proper cable management is essential to prevent tangling and ensure a stable connection. Once connected, power on the device to ensure everything is functioning as expected. If you encounter any issues, double-check connections and consult the troubleshooting section in the manual. With your device powered on, it's time to install the necessary software. Visit the official OpenClaw website to download the latest drivers and installation package. Run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to set up the software on your computer. This software allows you to customize the device settings to suit your personal preferences. Ensure that once installed, you check for any available updates to keep the software current. After installation, test the functionality by performing basic operations to confirm everything is working smoothly.
Ergonomics play a crucial role in using your OpenClaw device comfortably and effectively. Start by adjusting the device to fit your hand size using the included adapters. Use the calibration tools provided in the software to fine-tune the device's sensitivity and position for your hand's natural resting state. This step is vital to prevent strain and injury during prolonged use. Once adjusted, perform several test runs to ensure that the settings are comfortable and efficient for your tasks. Remember, a well-calibrated device can significantly enhance your user experience.
Now that your device is physically set up, let's configure the basic settings and preferences. Navigate through the user interface to customize options such as sensitivity, button mapping, and feedback levels. Adjust these settings to match your workflow and personal preferences, ensuring a personalized experience. The software also offers advanced options for those who want to delve deeper into customization. Once satisfied, save your configuration to prevent any loss of settings. This step personalizes your device, making it an extension of your workflow.
Even with a well-designed device like the OpenClaw, you might encounter some setup issues. Common problems include connectivity errors, software glitches, or calibration mismatches. Start by checking all connections and ensuring that software settings are correct. The user manual is a valuable resource for step-by-step troubleshooting. If issues persist, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for assistance. Remember, most problems have straightforward solutions, and with a bit of patience, you can resolve them efficiently. One of the standout features of the OpenClaw device is its adaptability to different hand sizes. Begin by selecting the appropriate adapter for your hand size, ensuring a snug fit that doesn't compromise comfort. Adjust the device's settings to accommodate the specific needs of smaller or larger hands, focusing on button reach and feedback sensitivity. Test the device in various configurations to find the optimal ergonomic setup. This flexibility ensures that users of all hand sizes can enjoy a comfortable and efficient experience with the OpenClaw device. Keeping your OpenClaw device's firmware up to date is crucial for optimal performance and security. Begin by checking the current firmware version and the software settings. If an update is available, follow the instructions carefully to install it. Updated firmware often includes new features, bug fixes, and improved security measures. Use the software's built-in update tools to streamline the process. After updating, verify the success by checking the version number again and testing the device's functionality. Regular updates ensure your device remains reliable and efficient. Congratulations on setting up your OpenClaw device. We've covered everything from unboxing to firmware updates, ensuring you're ready to use your device to its fullest potential. Remember to maintain your device regularly and explore further settings to enhance your experience. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to comment below. We'd love to hear about your setup experience. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on maximizing your tech. See you in the next video.